So we got a spark plug. Already checked all of them the gap. What I always use to put spark plugs in is the bell ray assembly loop. It's with moly loop and it's on the label. A stable, non-melting, multi-purpose lubricant with a phenomenal capacity to prevent seizing and galling at extremely high pressures and temperature. So, ideal for a spark plug. We're gonna use this one. So, here I am. We're gonna put this spark plug in here first. This bit out of the way, hopefully. Yep, this one first. First we're gonna loop it. Loopity loop. Not too much, just enough. Just a smear. Nicely in the threads. Always turn them in by hand so you don't strip the thread. So then okay. First one, 3 to go. The next one, do a little bit of moly coat thing, stuff, each up, and then and again turn them in by hand. Hello. And another one bites, and another one bites, another one bites the dust. So, ease in 2. Up. 2 to go. Here. Up, up, up. Here. Yep. Get some anti-seize onto them. Now we're going to adjust the light. Yes. Then we're gonna slide it in. So, 1 to go. Again, the bell ray. Yeah, bell ray. Hopefully you can do it from this side so you can still have a look. Maybe I get. Yep. Yep. Oh, come on. Yes. That one out. The next thing we're gonna do. The next thing we're gonna do is to torque them at the right spec. I got my tablet. I got the original Honda factory service manual. Let's see what my good friend Soichiro Honda has to say about that. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Yes, there we go. Eens even kijken. Sparkplugs. How to get them out, how to get them in. Kijk, and then how to torque them. The air gap should be below 1 mil. The torque 16 Newton meters, or tighten and a half turn further. So if I can get there with my torque wrench, I got one from even kijken, Tank Tools, good one, not that expensive, good. 16. Let's see. Oh. Even kijken, this is 15, and then one further, and this is 16. Okay. Vastzetten, die moet ik weg. Now let's see. So another tip from the old mechanic. To torque the spark plugs, you have to get, there is this, I'm gonna use this one, I already sanded it on my machine down, so it's slick. I can't use the magnetic because it doesn't fit in the hole. So I use this one, but it has this rubber thing, grommet, inside. Whenever you get your socket in, torque it, and you try to get it out, this happens, or this happens, and then it's deep inside. You can't get it with a plier, so then you have to get it out again. So better be safe there. Sorry. Up. And get that grommet out. So now it doesn't stick. You can wiggle it in and out. So nou, dat was hij. Nice on torque, and you can get it out again. Oh, next one. Hopefully. No. No. Honda. That's a big day. Two to go. Get you to the other side. Yes. Now. Man. To get the direct ignition coils easy in but also out, I always use silicone spray. It makes those rubber grommets slide in very easy. So use just a tiny bit, rub it in, rub it in, rub it in, a little bit at the top, up with my finger. So, whoop. Now, let's see. Hello. Yes. Now, and then try to get a then try 3. Yes. That's 1. 3 to go. Up picky day. Get the silicone spray. Kijk, this one. Nou, nee. Nee, inderdaad. Ja. Kan die nog dieper? Nee. So, brother. Up. The last one. Now. Up again. Now, let's see. Can we get from this? Up. Yes. Man. Dat is echt niet normaal. back. Number 2. See? Give it a mark, but click. It's this one. No, this one. So, number 3. Click. And here we got click. Zo. Gewoon onder hier. So now we get the radiator back, which is easy. Don't forget the horn, the horny. This one goes there together with the horn. De horny mount. Even kijken. There's another bolt with a nut, 10 mil. So, job done. An overview. Was it easy? No. Did I like it? No. Can you do it yourself? I guess with the right tools and with a lot of patience. Just, yeah, with a lot of patience, you can do it. You need a bit of spaghetti fingers. So they are in now, and hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you do, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate it. And if you have something to say, leave it in the comments. Old Mechanic out.